Cartooncat is an urban legend created by Canadian horror artist Trevor Henderson. He is a giant feline creature who resembles a 1930s-era cartoon cat. Hence his name. He is one of the main antagonists of the Trevor Henderson mythos. His powers are shape-shifting, hyperelasticitized shifting, cartoon mimicrism facardism is endurance agility savagery, enhanced strength, enhanced stamina, enhanced reflex growing and regrowing its size to whatever length with sharp claws and teeth. Height varies, usually dwarfs humans in size.